next topic, which is breathing. Okay. It is helpful to compare singing with a sport activity. For example, swimming. Like swimming, singing involves deep breathing, hingang malalim. We try to fill up our lungs from the lowest part. Kailangan punong-puno. Normally, hindi natin kailangan gawin ito, no? Unless siguro pag kayo ay nagchichismisan, kailangan tuloy-tuloy, kailangan isang hingang malalim at kwento-kwento. Hindi naman natin ginagawa yun madalas. Ano? Okay, so you will discover later that the more air you have in your lungs, the more things you can do with your sound or with your singing. Kaya sa umpisa pa lang, we try to form the good habit of breathing properly. So paano nga ba huminga ng maayos? There is actually no difference between normal breathing and breathing when singing, except isa lang, that it should be deeper. In singing, breathing is always deep. Like in swimming, di ba? Pag nagsuswimming tayo, halimbawa freestyle. So nagsuswimming tayo, kailangan tinetilt natin yung ating leg para huminga, di ba? Makahinga tayo. Pero ang ginagawa, hindi tayo hinga ng hinga, right? Hindi hinga. Ang ginagawa natin, kasi pag ginawa natin yun, mahuhuli tayo. So mas maganda kung hingang malalim at tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy. And then pag naubusan na, hihinga ulit. Ganun din tayo. So kailangan always kailangan ng deep breathing. So I'd like you, we will do some exercises now. I'd like you to put your hand on your tummy like this. Yeah. Pakiramdaman natin ang ating itong part ng upper abdomen. Pag tayo ay humihinga, normal breathing lang. Sige nga, please. Hinga, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So dapat nararamdaman natin na gumagalaw siya, no? Umaangat o kaya nag-expand. Inhale, exhale. Bakit ang tiyan ang nag-expand? Bakit hindi ang lungs? Di ba sabi natin lungs ang nag-expand, doon pumapasok ang hangin? Okay, ito ay dahil sa diaphragm. Ang diaphragm ay isang layer of muscle na nasa ilalim ng lungs. Kapag tayo ay nag-inhale, ito ang nagtatrabaho. Pag nagko-contract siya, it pushes everything na nandun sa ilalim at bumababa siya. Yun. Pag nakababa na siya, it creates a space for the lungs to expand in this direction. Yun. Mabuti na lang, mayroon tayo nung diaphragm na yun. Kaya, kailangan maramdaman natin na talagang gumagalaw yung ating, nag-expand yung ating tiyan. Now, paano sa tingin nyo, ay, sir, ako parang hindi gumagalaw po yung tiyan ko. Ay, may problema tayo dyan kung hindi gumagalaw ang tiyan. Kung hindi nag-expand ang ating tummy. So, mas maganda siguro kasi hindi siya naka-relax. So, kailangan mag-relax muna ang tummy. Alam niyo naman yung ating ngayon, sanay tayo sa sa tummy in. O, pag may camera na sa harap natin, camera, tummy in. Ay, nako-conscious na. O, alisin muna natin yung ganong consciousness. Relax muna. O ilabas muna. Huwag na mahiya. Wala namang nanonood ngayon. Okay. Or kaya, maybe an exercise would be, it would be better na ma-feel natin ito pag tayo ay nakahiga. Pag tayo nakahiga, naka-relax ang tummy. Automatic yon. Now, pag tayo nakahiga, pag humihinga tayo, nag-i-inhale, umaangat ang ating tummy. Umangat at pag exhale, bumababa. Now, pag itatayo natin yung sarili natin, we will try to replicate that. So instead of taas, so ang ating tummy ay mag-move forward or expand and back pag nag-exhale. Forward and back. Okay. So in singing, as I said earlier, we need to take deeper breath. So ano mangyayari pag nag-take tayo ng deeper breath? Ang mangyayari talaga ay yung expansion ng ating tummy ay mas malaki. So that is what I'd like you to feel. So put your hands here on your tummy and take a deep breath. Ayun, so dapat mas malaki ang expansion. Papakita natin. Ready? And inhale. Ayun, expand, exhale. Babalik siya doon. So normal position. Inhale. Okay. Buti na lang naka-printed shirt ako. Hindi halata masyado ang ating... Okay, okay, okay. Now there is another way for our lungs to expand, not only in this direction but also in this direction. Yeah. So how do we make the lungs expand in this direction? Para kailangan natin na-expand ang lungs para mas marami pang hangin ang pumasok. So we have to use our chest muscles. As sabi ko nga kanina, na nandito sa mga ating ribs, may mga muscles dyan. We call that the intercostal muscles. Yeah. So I'd like you to put your hands naman dito sa may yung tickle bone natin kung saan kayo nakikiliti. Oh, yan. And then, isipin nyo, may gumulat sa inyo. Ano kaya nangyari pag may gumulat? That's from behind. Yun, ganun. May ganun tunog. Okay. Dapat naramdaman ninyo na nag-expand yung inyong rib cage in that way. Ayun. Pag nung gulat na yon, nung nagulat kayo, madaming hangin na ang pumasok. So that's another way for the lungs to expand. And another way is from the back muscles. I'd like you to put your hands on your back like this. So gawin natin to, pakiramdaman natin to kasi konti lang ito. Konti lang ang galaw na nakikita natin. Pag naghuminga tayo, we are able to expand our rib cage in that direction as well. Yeah, inhale, exhale. Okay. So that is different ways of making sure that we take a deep breath. Now, ano naman, syempre, ang paghinga, hindi lang naman inhalation ang nagaganap. After inhalation, we release the air, what we call exhalation. So in exhalation naman, ibang set of muscles naman ang involved. So I'd like you to put one hand on your tummy, like this, yes. And one hand, do it like this, because of my bibig, and do mga short puffs, yung malakas pero maikli lang. Okay, very good. Anong nararamdaman natin dito sa chan, di ba? Nararamdaman natin na pumapasok. Yun ang muscles na involved in releasing the air, which we call the abdominal muscles. So using the abdominal muscles, we control the release of the air. Kung ano nga, yun nga ang nangyayari pag tayo ay kumakanta. We try to control the release of the air. So meron tayong exercise na gagawin ngayon. Meron akong metronome. Okay. So what we will do is, we will try to inhale in 4 counts. Pag narinig nyo na yung metronome, inhale kayo slowly. Para mapakiramdaman ninyo yung pag-expand ng tummy, ng rib cage. And then, on the next 4 beats that you will hear, you will hold your breath. Now, when you hold your breath, you have to feel that contraction in the abdominal muscles. And then, after that, on the next 8 beats, we will try to release the air by doing 8 beats yun. So medyo matagal yun. So dahan-dahanin natin yung pag-release ng air. Okay? So pag narinig nyo na yung metronome, start inhaling. Ready? And inhale. Hold. And release. Very good. Okay, let's try that again one more time. Para tingnan natin kung makokontrol natin yung pag-release ng air by stretching. Instead of 8 beats, gawin natin 12. Subukan natin, ha? Ready? Ito na. Inhale. Expand. Hold it. And release 12 counts. 12. Very good. Okay, that is a good exercise to check on how you can control your breath. So ang pwede natin gawin is to expand that. Kung kaya, madali lang yung 12, gawin natin 16 o kaya 20. Sa tingin nyo, kaya ba natin yan? Kakayanin. So that is an exercise that you can do regularly. Okay,